Jodi am just vin pote 5 belles questions pour poser yon fille pour atirel sou. Mwen marke ki nou pa like video yo assez ti mese pour nous rive plus loin. Pour plus moun visiter channel là tout. Gade ti mese. Like video a kouni a. Map ton nou. Sou fek tombe sou video ça, devine nan communauté Loverboy là. Chaîne ça dédié seulement ak vidéo qui gen rapport ak séduction, relation femme ak garçon. Sou intéresse active vidéo ça yo. Abonnez pour pas rater rien sur nouveau vidéo m'pral pote yo.
All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. Mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm